Top 8 habits to boost focus and clear your busy mind. Do you often find it hard to focus, with your mind full of thoughts? What if I told you that there are simple habits you can start today that can help clear your mind and improve your focus? Imagine being able to complete tasks with a clear, sharp mind, leaving distractions behind. In today's video, we'll talk about the top 5 habits to boost focus and clear your busy mind. These habits are easy to follow and don't require big changes in your lifestyle. So, let's dive in. 1. Set aside time to disconnect from your phone. First up is setting aside time to disconnect from your phone. It's easy to get lost in endless notifications, texts, and social media updates. To clear your mind and improve focus, take short breaks from your phone throughout the day. Try leaving it in another room during meals, or designate 30 minutes each day to be completely phone-free. This habit helps you focus on the task at hand without constant distractions. By disconnecting for brief periods, you'll find that your mind feels less cluttered and your focus improves. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference in how present you feel in your daily activities. 2. Prioritize sleep and create a consistent schedule. A good night's sleep is essential for a sharp mind. Lack of sleep can make it harder to focus and think clearly. To boost your focus, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. This helps your body establish a natural sleep rhythm and ensures you're well rested for the day ahead. Sleep isn't just about quantity, it's also about quality. Try to create a calming bedtime routine, free from screens, to help you unwind and fall asleep faster. When you wake up feeling rested, you'll notice a huge difference in your ability to focus and stay sharp throughout the day. 3. Practice mindfulness and deep breathing. Mindfulness and deep breathing are great habits for boosting focus. Taking just a few minutes to center yourself can calm your mind and help you focus better. Try a simple deep breathing exercise. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Doing this for a few minutes can clear your head and reduce mental distractions, allowing you to refocus on the task at hand. Mindfulness helps you stay in the present moment, which is key to improving focus. It also reduces stress and anxiety, two major factors that can block concentration. Break large tasks into smaller steps, chunking. When you're faced with a big task, it can feel overwhelming. A great way to stay focused is by breaking large tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. This is called chunking. By focusing on one small part of a project at a time, you reduce stress and make it easier to stay on track. For example, if you're working on a report, first outline the key points, then draft the introduction, and finally, add the details. This way, you can focus on one step at a time, which makes the entire task feel less daunting. 5. Move your body regularly. Regular physical activity is another great habit for improving focus. Exercise boosts blood flow to the brain, which helps you stay alert and sharp. You don't need to run a marathon. Just a short walk, stretching, or any physical activity can do wonders for your concentration. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes of movement each day. Exercise also helps reduce stress and anxiety, which can be major distractions. When your body is active, your brain becomes more energized and better able to focus on your tasks. 6. Minimize distractions and create a focused workspace. Creating an environment that encourages focus is essential for clearing your mind. This means minimizing distractions like background noise, clutter, and multitasking. Keep your workspace organized and free of distractions. You can even use noise-canceling headphones or listen to white noise to help block out unwanted sounds. If you're working from home, try to set up a designated workspace that's separate from areas where you relax or eat. This helps signal to your brain that when you're in this space, it's time to focus. 7. Practice habit stacking. Habit stacking is a technique where you add a new habit to an existing routine. For example, you can do a few stretches while waiting for your coffee to brew or practice deep breathing before going to bed. By stacking new habits with things you already do automatically, you'll find it easier to stay consistent and focused. This technique is powerful because it allows you to build new habits without adding extra time or effort to your day. By linking healthy habits together, you'll form a routine that supports focus and mental clarity. 8. Stay hydrated and eat focus-boosting foods. Your brain needs fuel to function properly, so staying hydrated and eating focus-boosting foods is essential. Drink water throughout the day to stay hydrated, as even mild dehydration can reduce your ability to concentrate. Also, eat meals that include brain-healthy foods, like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Eating regular, balanced meals helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which supports focus and mental clarity. Try to avoid sugary snacks, which can lead to energy crashes and a loss of focus. That's it, 8 simple habits to improve your focus and clear your mind. By incorporating just a few of these habits into your day, you'll notice a difference in your ability to concentrate and stay productive. Start with one habit and build on it over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which habit you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.